Today we will be building my studio. I'm so excited. Let's do it. So the goal of this studio is to stop having shitty video quality because like you see here, it's okay, but it doesn't look good at all. It's just, I don't like it. So to fix this, we're gonna need a lot of stuff. I mean, a lot. But first, I need to clean my room. This is such a freaking nightmare. It's so bad. I just want to show you my new bedroom. So this is it right here. It's kind of nice. It's very dark though. Under bed lights, nothing very nothing crazy. And this is where we're gonna put all my new clothes. At my shoe rack, I'm gonna put shoes up here, nice dress shirts and shorts, and then just nice t-shirts over here, which is cool. And then all the socks down here, I sorted them into bins so I can get them easier. Before you saw the socks, I could never find socks in the morning. It was terrible. All right, so the bed has been moved. And now we have clear space. Let's go. Studio is gonna go right in here. I'm gonna put the table right there. Big studio light standing right here. It'll shine on my awesome little setup. Even though I love this picture, well, it's not gonna be a great backdrop for my studio. So I took it myself and I got it turned up, but it's gonna have to go. But we have one big problem. And this is the most important piece, the table for the setup. And the table is not supposed to come for another, it may not even come till July 14th. That is one hell of a long time to wait for a stupid table. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to find something to use for my table for now. I don't know what. Or I'll just not have a table for my setup and be a little weird. I may have to wait to publish this video, which is really gonna suck. Okay, so this is by far the biggest unboxing I have ever done in my life. So I don't even know where to start. I think we should start with the light, just because that light is probably gonna help just improve our video quality tremendously. This is the Amaran 100D. This thing is amazing. It is from Aputure, connects with their app Cytoslink, so I control it with my phone. Along with the light is the Aputure light dome. So this is a big diffuser that diffuses the light to soften those shadows. So if you were to have a big spotlight on you, you would have a big shadow in the back. Well, having this diffuser softens that shadow, so there is little to no shadow at all. Also, I bought a stand, which I'll show you in a second. This is the audio interface for this awesome MKE 600 from Sennheiser. That is amazing microphone, and I'm so excited to get to use that. A little windscreen for the microphone, a shock mount, XLR cable, chair, like I said, and then a diffuser, as well as I bought a microphone boom arm and a light stand. Then we have this really heavy duty, it's also really cool too. It uses air as a cushion just in case if something were to fall, so it's not gonna like slam down. It's a air cushioned light stand, so when you fall, it's gonna go down slowly. Even if you try to push, it'll go down slowly, which is really cool. It's a cool little feature to have. And it is very sturdy, so if you're looking for a light stand, this is definitely one to get impacted. It's on sale for like 30 bucks. Really nice. I am going to get this light stand set up. Yeah, we'll shine it in the corner. All right, we're shining this in the corner. This is gonna be cool, I think. How am I gonna plug this in? That is a very good question, Ryan. How am I gonna plug this in? Is this a 3-pronger? Yes, it is. I'm sure it is, because it probably takes a lot of energy. Let's turn it on. I'm actually kind of nervous. This is like literally like kind of nervous, nerve-wracking. Okay. How's this going? Power on. Oh shit, that is bright. Oh my god, that's 100%, dude. This is freaking crazy. We can dim it and go, whoa. That's freaking 1%. That's like a normal light bulb. But see how much better that is? Oh, ow, 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 ow. That hurt. Ow. Don't do that. Don't reflect it. Oh my God. That's like the sun, dude. I have my microphone set up right here on the Amazon Basics light stand using XLR cable to go through. And because the arm was not, like the screw was not strong enough to hold the actual microphone, I used a counterbalance with chains and whatnot. So I found chains in that metal thing to act as a counterbalance. It plugs straight into the audio interface. This microphone actually requires phantom power. That's 48 volts that needs to go in the microphone for it to operate, and that is exactly why I have the Scarlett Solo, so this audio interface can supply the power it needs to the microphone. It uses USB Type-C to go all the way into the computer. Next, I had to build the chair that I bought, which sounds simple, but took me way too long, even though all the parts were already built. Finally, I built the light dome. Okay, so it took me a minute, but I finally got this light dome figured out. So actually all you do is literally just like pull out the individual rings until it clicks. This is the Aputure Light Dome Mark II, baby. Let's go. This white thing right here. We gotta put this on to create that diffusion. That literally looks like the sun. But with this on there, it is going to look great. It should, at least theoretically. I can barely see you just looking at this light. Oh my God. All right. Let's get her in there. All right. So now we have ourselves a light. Look at this. Okay, now, all right, let's turn it on now. Let's turn this sucker on. Holy crap, that's a nice soft glow. Look at, beautiful. That is so freaking beautiful, dude. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, my studio setup is done. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so I have spent a good bit of time just finding the correct angle that looks good and setting up my light to have a very nice look on my face, and my mic in the correct spot where it's just barely out of frame, and when you sit down, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like right here. It's like maybe 6 inches from my face. So that is awesome. Overall, super happy with this. I'm going to switch to this camera and microphone in 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, this is my brand new studio setup. I am so excited. I don't know if you can hear and see how much better this studio looks with this awesome massive light that's right here, and my camera that I've been using for a long time just looks even better with this great light, and you should hear the high definition audio from the Sennheiser MKE 600. This is a awesome microphone, and all this combined was $1,200. So I can't wait to see what videos I'm going to be able to produce with this awesome studio. Please subscribe